Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I got my little greeting card journal put together. I got pages selected and put in. I got my inside front cover put in with pockets, and I added a little lace to this outside edge, and then I stitched around. I had to do some straight stitching down through here because I'd already put the button on. So you can see randomly in places I went and did some straight stitching as well. So now I need to have at least 5 pocket tuck belly band type things. And I've got one. We could have a flip up cardstock pocket, so I've got that. Actually, there's 2 of them because there's one on each side of the signature. And so I think here I could use this little note paper and make a little note paper pocket, little side pocket. So I think I'll do that. And I don't normally do my journals in this fashion, but I know this is how Dear Julie does them a lot of times, and so I thought I would give it a try. I wonder if I should have punched that. Nah, not necessary. Okay. So then let's go to the other side of, I'm trying to keep it somewhat evenly spaced. That could be a belly band. So let's do that. So there we'll have a little belly band. Okay, so that gives me 3. I think I'm going to put an envelope somewhere, which would give me 4. And then that could be a little tuck. Page tuck. So yeah, I could do that. So why don't we? So I'm going to put glue along the inside and along the bottom. So then that becomes a little tuck. So that gives me 4, and if I make an envelope, that would give me 5, so and that would be all that was required. And I don't want mine to become overly bulky, so I do believe, let's see, okay, I've got my envelope punch board. So let's go 3.5 by 4.5, 6 3/4. So 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. And I'm actually going to put the roses to the inside just because. Okay, 3.5 by 4.5, so I need to 3-inch mark. The roses side is a little busier than I would like, so I'm gonna have this sort of green textured side be the outside of the envelope. So I'd love to know if you're making a greeting card journal for the Dear Julie Julie challenge. I'm actually really, when she first put out the details of the challenge, I thought it was going to be overwhelming, but it really isn't. And she made a lot more things than we're required to make for our own journals to give everybody ideas and stuff, so okay, so where did I? Okay, so my tuck is there. So on this side we have this little pocket. 2, 3, and we get to the center, and on this side we have 1, 2, and that's it. So that ought to work right there. So that'll flip out. And I'll go ahead and leave it so that it can be a double tuck on this side. All right. Okay, so then the one other thing I want to do, so I've got those in, got the required elements for that, and so all I'll need to do is add my decorations, but I want to go ahead and add my back, the closure, the band for my closure. And I noticed today, dear Julie did a video, and she did hers the same way I'm going to do mine. So, where is my hole punch? And I've already marked this halfway down the page and about 1/2 inch in. And again, I'm using my larger hole punch because my eyelets are a little bigger. I've got some smaller ones. I just actually prefer these that are just a hair shade bigger. Okay. Put that in. So got now. Never am sure which way to do this. I think that's right. So there we go. Got my closure, and it does fit under my button, and I've still got some room to expand, and of course the closure will stretch if need be. So not a problem at all. Oop. As long as I actually take the, it's a little, my button's a little tighter on that side. I need to pull that a hair shade, loosen that up a little bit. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm going to begin making my little ephemera pieces to go in here. And in my next video, I'll come back and we'll finish it up, and then I'll do a quick flip through. So take care of yourselves. Be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.